As many of you may know, the Orange County Department of Education's Inside the Outdoors program has their headquarters in Silverado Canyon. Unfortunately, due to the recent Bond fire this past December, Inside the Outdoors headquarters and most of their animals were destroyed in the fire. So they looked to the local community and many of their partnering organizations to help them out in a time of need. So we were happy to welcome Inside the Outdoors to come film some of our animals and take some photos of our animals for use in Inside the Outdoors continuing virtual education programs. Here at the OC Zoo, we were happy to welcome them over to video and photograph many of our animals so they could be used in their virtual education programs. On behalf of OC Parks and the OC Zoo, we are so grateful we were able to help out Inside the Outdoors.